Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, our topic is all about the effects of the earthquake in our local community. So let us now proceed. In our community, there are many damaged houses due to the earthquake, structural damage, and homes which can cause loss of shelter and property. Power outage caused by falling tree lost the way or damage the roads caused by the earthquake. Family disintegration. Families may lose connection and communication due to the destruction of homes and lifestyles. Lack of medical services. Medical shortage are also possible due to earthquake. Service damage to health conditions. Trauma and emotional impact on earthquake can leave people in the community with great stress, fear, and trauma. In general, an earthquake causes a lasting impact on the life and livelihood of a community, and entails the need for concern and cooperation of its members.